LAKEY, back again with another beater box. I know it's been a minute, been too long. A lot of people was hitting me up in my DM asking, when you gonna post another box? Shout out to the homie who I just sent the $1,500 beater box to. I promised him, I was like, bro, I'm gonna find some time to make a box video. Yeah, today we got $750 box, so $700 for the box, $50 for the shipping. I had like 3 boxes come in, but this was the most expensive box. I believe this was the most expensive box. To me, it's the sweet spot between that 7 and 9 right now. But yeah, 750 bucks. We're gonna jump right in. I have not been very active with recording the boxes, as y'all can tell, but if you follow the for sale page, you can see we're still getting a ton of picks in every single week. Shout out to y'all who be hitting me up on IG for the shoes. Right off top, y'all know how we get down. We got one pair of loose shoes. Hopefully this mic won't cut out. Hopefully it's working. I got this little cheap mic. First pair is 13s, red 13s, no box. See what size these are. Size 11. 10.5, 11 is my size. Check these out for no box. What release is this? 2017 release. Not bad. Should be an easy mover, even without a box. Still got the sticker on there. I don't know anybody who actually peels that off, but still has the sticker on the hologram. 13s, classics. I have to take those somewhere else. They don't go in this unit. Jordan 7, size 10.5. One of the best. Jordan 7s, probably after the Bordeaux. We got Raptor 7s. Size 10.5 on these. And I hope y'all can. I got the new iPhone. Hopefully the videos are a little clearer now. 10.5. It's 2012 release. Raptor 7s, classic colorway. I think the True Flights, Jordan True Flights kind of killed the Jordan 7s. Unfortunately, they put out those flights and they look so similar to this from a distance. I think it just kind of threw everybody off from even wanting 7s. But these are hard. French Blue 7s, Bordeaux 7s, Raptor 7s. I'm probably missing something for right now, but for now, those are my top 3. 10.5 on those. This whole box is 10.5, 11. I got something back there. I don't know what that is. Tags for okay. White cement 4s. Size 10.5 is in the box. It's 2015 release. These are a little bit more worn. But still got some Nike left in them. Still got the Nike Air on the back. Not bad, not bad. White cements, some people's all-time favorite shoe. White cement 4s. This used to be grill status, man. This sneaker game kind of different. It's in a different stage right now, but we'll see if we can bounce back from that. People ask all the time, you still buying boxes? Yes, we're still getting boxes every single week. So Supremacy buys the shoes at under market, so we're still able to make a little bit off the beater boxes. Another Jordan 7, size 10.5, Olympic 7s. Olympic 7s, another classic colorway. Man, these are fire. I haven't seen these in a while. I have not seen these in a while. Very, very clean. It's an older release. You can tell from the box alone, but the year was 2012. You got that 9 on the back. There's Olympic number. Probably move quick. This whole box will probably move quick. Anything besides anything sizes 10 to 11 move very fast. And that sucks because that 10.5 is my size, so I struggle with keeping stuff all the time. Jordan 7 Olympics. I got 3 boxes of Yeezys. I used to be excited to get Yeezys in the box. I mean, they still move depending on the condition, but Beluga 2.0s. Still got the Adidas Yeezy on the inside. These are in pretty good shape. I remember buying beater boxes, and you'd have to spend at least $1,000 or more to get a pair of 350s in. Now you can buy like a $400 box and get Yeezys all day. And it just goes to show you the stage we're in right now. I got 2 more 350s. Boxes are in good shape. Creams, very, very clean. As you can see, the Adidas Yeezy still on the inside. Let me look at the other one before I say that. The other one is still pretty good shape. These are size 11. Size 11. Check out the bottom. Got a little gum or something right there, but overall, these are pretty clean. I got a 2-3 Jordan 3 boxes down here. I'm anxious to get to. Oh dang, see what one of them is. Tell from the color. There we go. Anyway, we got some Oreos. 10.5 on these. Check these. These are very good. It's actually one of the best ones to me. Bread and Oreos. Very clean. All of them still have the Adidas on the inside. I'm assuming they probably all came from the same person. Maybe this whole box came from the same person. They all 10.5 and 11. This, I don't know what size. Oh, 10.5. Beaters. Some rails, but they are beaters. We got black cement 3s. I think I have a few of these. But these are definitely more than some of the other pairs I have. Size 10.5, 2017 release. Let's see the condition here. The box is also a little beat. This was a $700 box plus 50, so $750 for the whole box. 3, 5, 6, 7. We got 9 pair in the box. This was a pretty good box. I should be able to do well with this one. True Blue 3s. Paint cracking on the midsole. This shoe is notorious for that. But overall, the uppers are very clean. Still got Nike here on the inside. Checking the tag. Yeah, these are 10.5. Check out the back. Not bad at all. I'm probably not gonna go drop these off. Normally, if I get a shoe, I used to take them, get dropped off, and repaint it. But I'm probably just gonna sell these how they are. I already have a personal pair, so I don't need to keep them. This is a classic. 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 That's gonna conclude this box, man. I know I kind of ran through it fast. I'm just here at the unit today doing some work, and I gotta get some moving boxes for my little brother. We just bought him a house, so I got a bunch of beater boxes that we are about to use so he can pack up his belongings, so he can move into his new crib. Him and his girl just bought. So that's why I'm here. Also, well, I was gonna do I got this little gimbal thing that like tracks you as you record. I was gonna give y'all like a quick unit tour, which is not that big. It's just a 10 by 15. It's a decent size, but it's not like too crazy. But the gimbal kind of like tracks you or whatever. I was gonna use that to show y'all the whole thing, because I got like sizes 4 all the way to size 10. A ton of loosies sitting around and stuff like that, but the gimbal is dead, y'all. So I'm gonna have to do that video another time. This unit stops at size 10.5, or size 10, and then I take everything else to a different location, size 10.5 on up, go somewhere else. Just because I got a ton of stuff and it wouldn't all fit in here anyway. Make sure you guys follow me on the IG page. I'm sure if you're watching this video, you probably already do. At T Got Sold for sale. This stuff will probably be on there already. It's normally take me a few days to edit the video or whatever. But it don't take me long to get them on the for sale page. If it's posted on their page, I still have it. All the prices and all that stuff is on there. All that stuff includes shipping. So yeah. And what else was I gonna tell y'all? Beater boxes. appreciate y'all who hitting me up for the beater boxes. Like I said, I built the homie up one for $15.50. That box was fire. I should have made a video recording what I put in the box. Check the reviews on the for sale page. Down in there, you left me a cool little review for that box. If you need a beater box, tap in with me. I'll make them up, ship them out real fast. That's going to conclude the video. Feel good to be back. Hopefully I can stay more consistent. I'm thinking about hopping back on IG on the main page. We'll see about that. And yeah, that's going to conclude the video. Boys out. I hope each and every one of y'all are blessed, staying safe, all that cool stuff. I'm out. Peace.